This is a routine grade 2 nuclear sclerosis posted for phaco. I put in my incisions. I then go ahead and fill the chamber with HPMC, after which I perform my putting some HPMC over the cornea as well, and then I proceed with my capsulorhexis. The capsulorhexis I usually do with the N26 gauge needle. I find it pretty easy. So, but you can use a Utrata forceps or any other capsulorhexis forceps that you fancy. So the idea is to get a circular 5.5 mm rhexis, and it should be continuous. And once done, I then proceed to the next step of the procedure, that is the hydrodissection. Okay, and I have prolapsed the pole out. Now I decided to do my single pole prolapse technique that I usually do for these soft cataracts. I just prolapse the entire nuclear epinuclear complex, one pole of it at least, and try to eat it. Now look what happens. I'm eating and there's nothing happening, just a small hole there and nothing. So there's some problem with the phaco. I changed the tip and then there it goes. That's a beautiful carousel, and little endonucleus left, and that also I eat away as well. So essentially stay within the safe zone, just eat the whole complex, no sweat, very fast, very easy. No need to break a sweat over handling this sort of cataracts. So just thinking about what to do next, and then I decide, okay, let me take out the cortex with the phaco tip itself. The pupil is a little, it's not fully dilated, it's mid dilated. So in these cases, normally I would use a bimanual. However, I think there is enough cortical protrusion from the edges of the capsulorhexis for me to engage and peel off from the fornices. And it's going on well, as you can see. Had this cortex not been presenting like this, I will opt for a bimanual approach. There's a little bit there, taken it off. There are a few cortical fibers. I've gone into my lens polishing, a capsule polishing mode, and I deal with those fibers as well. Don't have to be, I'm not going to be really aggressive and psychotic about removing each and every fiber. So I just remove what I think is necessary, and then I put in my HPMC and inject the single piece PMMA tipped hydrophobic IOL directly, or at least attempt to inject it directly into the bag, and it has gone directly into the bag. That's good. And these are the final steps, just finishing off by removing all the HPMC both from front and behind the IOL. And once that's done, I put in my intracameral antibiotic and hydrate the wounds and conclude my session. Thank you so much for watching.